Sir, very good evening, sir. Can you hear my voice, sir? Voice, video.
Good evening,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Gopal,
sir.
sir.
Good evening,
Abdul,
sir.
Good evening, sir. Rajesh, sir. Sadish Kumar, sir. Okay, sir. Did you discuss, sir, boiler losses?
Formulas we discussed, sir.
Yes, sir. So, this chapter, boiler is very important, sir. Boiler. So, boiler, so it will take time. It will take some, where you take time, I will explain. Where you take time. Remaining formula same. There is no issues. So, some formula we have to discuss a lot. Are you understand which one I will explain last? Okay. First we have to discuss general discussion. Okay, sir. My voice clear, sir. Shall we start session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First day we are starting, sir. So take 1 minute prayer. So whatever the prayer means, gratitude. So we have to complete successfully. So this year we have to get certification, energy audit certification. Everyone in the room. So everyone have get it certification. So first 1 minute. So we take the prayer. So whatever the person, you take it. Also. So whatever person mentioned. So it is everything possible, but we have to spend the time. So we have to spend the time and take a risk and challenge. Whatever possibility, we have to spend the time. So everything needs to spend the time and the practice. Quality of time, quality of practice. Okay. Shall we start, sir? 1 minute prayer. So whatever the God, the gratitude, who are helping you. So every day you start with gratitude, end with gratitude. Okay, same thing you are practice. If you are going to anything start, you have to say gratitude. So your family members who are helping for your company, still now they are working, they are helping, somewhat helping. The financial level, work level, the balance they are giving. So whatever thing, family, your friends, travel. So whatever things you say the gratitude. Then we are going for that certified energy auditor, new journey. So new journey, we need new habit, new identity. So that is also you have to say the gratitude for new identity, new habit. So what are the new people making the group discussion? So everything we have to do it. The group discussion very important. Okay, just pray, sir. 1 minute. Close your eyes, sir. Inhale through the nostril, exhale through the mouth. You feel relaxed. So you have to do 6 times, sir. Slowly you have to do it. Inhale through the nostril, exhale through the mouth. You feel it, the head relaxation. That means inhale means you inhale through the positive energy that fill in your head. Remove the negative energy from the head through the mouth. Same feeling you have to create. Slowly you have to do it 6 times, sir. Always keep smiling, sir. Then say gratitude. And visualize your practice. Whatever the possibility you are doing previously, same practice you are doing. You always engage with people, connect with the right community. Every day you spending 1 hour per day. Now rub your hand. Put on nice face and open your eyes, sir. Just see your hand. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Everyone reference, sir. You got reference, sir? Okay, my voice is clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, solution camera, sir. Sadish, Amul, sir. Kumar, sir. Rajesh. Okay, sir. I will share the screen, sir. So, today agenda, we are going for the boiler, sir. So, boiler, just we will discuss. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Q&A end of the session, sir. We will complete the Q&A end of session. First, we complete whatever the possibility we have to complete. I will mute everyone. Okay. So, basic construction, it's a boiler. Already you have seen the boiler. So, this is a boiler. So, what are things available as boiler, sir? Input, output. Input, output. So, input, you know already. What is input? One is a fuel, another is a air. So, what is other output? Flue gas, steam. So, flue gas, steam. So, whatever possibility you can make it, knows you. So, suppose we can make it flue gas like this, Fg, flue gas, here you make it steam. And here input available. What is this? Feed water. So, this is one more thing. What is available? One more. What is other thing? Blow down loss. So, blow down loss. Everyone got it? Blow down loss. So, what are the parameter we have to measure? Very important parameter. The parameter. What are the parameter we have to measure? What are the unit we are using? Any idea, sir? We have to measure. What are the parameter we have to measure?
Enthalpy.
Yes. In steam side, you can one by one say it. Okay. Steam side, we have to mention enthalpy. E, H. H, enthalpy, and Q, quantity, steam quantity. Steam quantity, and temperature.
Yes. Pressure.
Yes. So, pressure. So, temperature, degree Celsius, quantity, kg per hour, ton per hour, and enthalpy, what is the unit? kcal per kg, pressure, kg per centimeter square. This is very, very important. We have to understand all the unit. So, what is the fuel? What fuel giving? We are giving the fuel, coal, gas, whatever things. And what are the parameter mainly important? Same Q and gross caloric or net caloric value. So, Q means and temperature also. So, temperature. Q means kg per hour. Flow. Gross caloric equivalent K calorie per kg. Same air. Air also what you are checking? Temperature. Same they are checking that actual air supply. How much kg per hour? Kg per hour, how much flowing? feed water, same temperature and quantity, enthalpy, HFG, and quantity. Same blow down loss also they are checking what they are checking, enthalpy, temperature, pressure, so enthalpy, H. So flue gas what we are measuring, it's a very important part is flue gas part. So flue gas, what are the part we have to check in flue gas? In flue gas, what are the part? Just to make it like this.
Oxygen percentage.
Yes, the percentage O2 and the percentage CO2 percentage O2, percentage CO2, they mentioned percentage N2 also knows you, but next one, what is going on? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, O2 and N2, everything going on, and the whole consider is it is a very important. This is everything volume basis. So CO2,
yes,
percentage of O2, percentage CO2 is a volume basis. So very important, volume basis. The volume basis, percentage of O2, the percentage of CO2 in flue gas, very important. FG, okay. Here the flue gas, we are mentioning the Q quantity. This is a flue gas. So sometime with using, we are using the calculation, actually whatever we are using the formula, so two kind of available. It's a flue gas, very, very important. The flue gas, very important. If you are using the flue gas quantity, very, very important. So this is the important tricks. So flue gas quantity, how to measure the flue gas quantity, how to calculate? One is a formula. One is we are using formula. So this is, so one is a formula. This is a flue gas means always remember dry flue gas. So formula we are using, always you have to remember, with using the formula, always you have to remember dry flue gas. With using formula means dry flue gas. So dry flue gas. So another one, what is the another one?
Actual air supply plus 1
actual air
minus
supply plus 1 minus
9H2 plus 1.
plus moisture. So what is the name this one? What is this one?
Including moisture.
Yes. So this part very important, this part different and this part different. Okay. So this part different, this part different. So this is a total, that's a wet flue gas. Wet flue gas. That means total. This is moisture. So moisture, we are minus the moisture, what will coming? This one. This is A part. So very important, this point is very important. This is A, you keep it B. If you confuse anything, just make it A and B. So A minus B, what will happening? A minus B, this is a dry flue gas. Clear? So all the thing, all the calculation based on per kg, very important, kg by kg of fuel. So this is important tricks. You have to understand the tricks. You understand the only tricks. Okay, clear? Flue gas side. So here flue gas side, what you have to calculate? What are things you have to calculate? Mole. So how to understand the mole? Suppose This whole box have lot of mango. Okay. So this is a total. So total weight. Total weight 100 kg. 1 mango equal to 1 kg. Clear? 1 mango to then how much mango available? How much mango? Number of mango? Number of mango?
100.
Number of mango? 100 divided by 10. So 1 kg means okay. I will put it 20. Better you cannot. 20 kg. Then how much available? 20 kg means 5 mango available. 1 mango is 20 kg. 1 mango equal to how many kgs? 20 kgs. So 20 kg, this 1 mango, that means molecular weight. Everyone understand molecular? MOL, molecular. This is a molecular weight. So this is total weight. This is a total weight, no? This is a total weight. Same like flue gas. Flue gas have total. Everyone flue gas total. So you are calculating molecular weight. So molecular weight, how many mango available now? Number of mango means 5. That means number of mole. So everyone got it? This is a number of mole. So here you have to calculate. Same thing you have to do it now. Same thing you have to do it. If you are calculating for the percentage of carbon dioxide, here I will write it. Percentage of carbon dioxide. What is the formula? Percentage of carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon dioxide means
7,900.
7,600.
7,900 into percentage CO2 T, theoretical minus actual.
No sir, this is only percentage of O2. Only you have to do percentage of O2.
हाँ
Mole
फिर
of, okay. Number of mole. Mole of O. Okay. Mole of O2 divided by total mole. Total mole. Total mole means summation of sum of the mole. So O2 plus CO2 plus N2 plus SO2 into 100. This is a calculation of CO2. Same like this, we have to do the calculation for CO2 also. So this is a basic fundamental. So flue gas means you have to understand what are the carbon dioxide, CO2, what are the things available. This simple calculation with using the formula, with using the direct formula. So direct formula explanation available. So here main thing you have to understand, flue gas means with the formula always using the dry flue gas. For L1, which one we have to use? L1. For L1 dry flue gas losses, which one we are to using? Which one we have to use? Mass of the flue gas means which one we have to take it? Dry flue gas?
dry flue gas.
Dry flue
yes.
gas.
Dry flue gas.
Yeah.
This is for L1 loss. Very, very important. So L1 loss. L1 heat loss. Dry flue heat loss. So this is very, very important. This is a dry flue gas. One thing understand, one L1. L1 understand. Now what are the losses available? These losses. So this is a parameter. It's according to that you have to calculate all the things. So simple boiler efficiency, already you know that boiler efficiency, if you are taking this unit, boiler, we have to calculate two kind of efficiency. One is a direct method, another is indirect method. So direct method already you know. So output. So divided by input. Output divided by input. That is a input output method. Indirect method, this is everything based on the indirect method. So indirect method means 100 minus losses. Heat loss method. What is method? Heat loss. So indirect method very important. Then another one formula available. So another one, we have to calculate one by one. So boiler efficiency two type available. One is a direct, so indirect. So direct means, so output
Capital
divided
Q
by
into
input into 100. So this is 100 minus, so L1 plus L2 like this coming. This is a indirect method. So this is a heat loss method. Heat loss. This is input output method. Input output method. So same formula we are using, another one available. Easily you have to calculate evaporation loss. So what is the formula for this one? Boiler direct method efficiency?
Q into H minus H
Generation
divided by Q into
generation
GC.
Yes. So from this they are asking lot of question. So indirect method, you understand the hint point. One is a O2, percentage of O2, percentage of carbon dioxide, dry flue gas, how to calculate it, how to another way you have to calculate. This is another important hints. And how to calculate percentage of O2. First overview, understand. Next one, same direct method, we have to calculate another thing. We have to calculate another thing. So how to calculate another thing? What is a direct method efficiency formula? So direct method efficiency formula, you have to write it. Q available, H available is enthalpy. Here feed water available is HFG. HFG available now. What is the input here? Fuel. So we are not taking air. So total fuel. Why we are not taking air? Because of heat input, very important. So boiler efficiency direct method, heat output, you are taking heat output divided by heat input. Heat output divided by heat input. So here what taking? Q into cross caloric value. So what is unit? Q into kg per hour. This is a K calorie per kg. We are taking this formula only, direct method, we are taking total. Everyone clear? We are taking for total quantity. That means total input output energy. Everyone got the point? We are taking total input output energy. So total heat energy we are taking. So total heat energy. So here what is the formula? What is the formula available? The boiler efficiency Q into H minus HFG feed water divided by Q into cross caloric value into 100. So HFC suppose 80 degrees Celsius. What is the K calorie? What is the K calorie? 80 K calorie per kg. Very, very important. So total. Okay, everyone got it? The Q is always common. Now evaporation loss. What is evaporation loss? What is evaporation loss? Any idea?
Capital Q by small q equal to
Q by
efficient.
Q.
Yes. Yes. So evaporation ratio equal to Q. So total steam divided by total fuel. So unit, no unit. So from this one, they are giving the value. We have to find out any one value. H or this value or this value or any other efficiency. They will give all the data, you have to find out. So you have to apply here. So this is a 1, this is a 2. So you apply here. What is the new formula?
Efficiency into GCV
Yes.
by H minus
Efficiency,
HFG.
yes. Efficiency into, so evaporation
GCV.
ratio into H minus HFG divided by cross caloric value into 100. So from this, suppose they give the evaporation ratio, you have to find out any one value. H, all the data is equal. R, you have to find out if cross caloric value, how much, you have to find out from this evaporation ratio. Everyone got it? So both
Yes.
in a direct method, what is the difference? The hints, they give the average ratio. From this you can kind it. Suppose they give the total fuel quantity, then you can find, you have to find out Q value. Okay. Next step is a indirect method. So indirect method, already you know that how to remember all the losses. How to remember? Any idea?
We need to go anti-clockwise.
Yes. First we draw the diagram. So this is very important part. Boiler, feed water, so flue gas. So we have to understand exact point we are taking. So F1 always, what is F1? So L1 dry flue gas. Dry flue gas na? L1 always dry flue gas. So what is L2?
Losses due to hydrogen in
Losses
fuel.
due to the hydrogen.
In fuel.
So
Input
from,
side.
Yes, input side. This is, you have to take it some because of we are taking all the same data from one place marking, you will get a little bit confused. But a better way, you understand the where is we have to take it, exact value, losses. Then you can understand everything. Okay. So two things coming from fuel. Two things already we have discussed. Two things coming from fuel. This is a fuel, air. So fuel, initially you have to write it. Fuel, how many losses coming? 2. Okay. Then flue gas, how much coming? 1. 1 losses. Okay. Air, how much losses coming? From air? Okay. Air, how much coming? 1. So air plus fuel plus air, properly not mixing. So fuel plus air, not mixing properly. How many losses coming? 1.
1.
Clear? So next one losses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Radiation.
Totally
Surface.
remaining?
Surface.
Yes. Surface. So surface, yes. So surface, boiler, B. Boiler. Boiler surface. 1. Now what is the next losses?
Fly ash.
Yes.
Information.
Yes, fly ash. Unburned fly ash. Another one is bottom ash. So
Bottom
unburned
ash.
fly ash, we have to check it here.
Top.
So one is a bottom, just we can mark it. So how many mark available here? This is, you have to mark it L1, we will mark it different one. So this is L1, so this is coming L2, L3, this is L4, this is L5, this is L6, this is L7, so this is L8. From coal, so we have to take it coal, we have 2. So we have to do L7, L8, simple. Then now you have to do it here. So now you have to do it. From fuel, now you understand L1, dry flue gas mass. So from fuel, we have to do it 1, this is a L2. From L2, what is available? H2 in the fuel. Next one, L3. What is available?
Moisture. Moisture in fuel.
M, moisture. From air, auxiliary supply,
Humidity.
humidity. L4, so humidity, H, humidity. So now both combine, not properly mixing. So next coming, both not properly, air and fuel. So properly. So what is coming? L5. So what is losses? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide loss. Okay. Then next one, boiler surface loss. So boiler surface loss X6, L6. So L7, yes. So fly yes. This L8 is a bottom S. So exactly what is the hint point we have to understand? Hint point. What is the hint point for calculation? This is very, very important calculation hint point. So you have to understand one by one, step by step. So hint point, first basic, the whatever the calculation, whatever the data given, the basic 3 step always we have to follow now. Basic always you have to follow. So fundamental structure. So fundamental structure. So fundamental structure means first whatever possibility with using the formula you have to follow theoretical layer. This is you have to follow theoretical layer. TA. Step 1. Step 1 what you have to do it? Theoretical layer. Everyone understand this theoretical layer with using the formula? Step 1. So theoretical with using that formula. So step 2. Step 2 what we are doing? What you are doing?
Exercise.
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 Percentage of XSR. Here you have to understand. This is very, very important. Here what is the main thing? Two-way you have to find out. Two-way. So both from the flue gas only. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? This is from flue gas only. FG. The one is coming from CO2, another one is coming from CO2. So suppose CO2 means, here you have to see the hints. So CO2 means they have to give CO2 theoretical, actual, they have to give actual. Then you have to find out theoretical. Suppose
Correct.
both they given knows you. So in calculation CO2, so theoretical, from theoretical you need to find, or given in question paper knows you. So this theoretical to find or given, two kind of available. To find means you know the formula, same formula. So what you are doing, same thing you have to find out. That means molecular weight, percentage of same thing.
Mole of CO2 by total
molar,
moles.
whatever things. So here you have to understand, this is very important content. So from this one you are calculating, initially you have to calculate carbon dioxide with for XSR calculation. So here XSR, so this is a flue gas. You are first initially you are sending theoretical layer, then you are sending actual air supply. So from after you are sending excess air. Everyone got it? Excess air. So theoretical air, what are the common coming after burning? Theoretical air. The whole flue gas, fuel plus this one. The flue gas means the actual air supply plus 1. That means this is called fuel. So this is called fuel. Okay. Here you are sending theoretical air. So what are the things component after burning here? What is going outside in theoretical air? In theoretical air, O2 useful. You O2 using all the things. O2 totally burning or not?
Theoretical burning, sir.
Theoretical. So N2 totally available. N2 77% available. N2 available. SO2 coming. CO2 coming. SO2 coming, CO2 coming. Everyone got it clear? In here what is coming here? XSR. From XSR what is coming? From XSR?
O2 or CO2 only, no?
From XSR, what will coming? O2 coming
And CO2.
and N2. And N2. Because of everything is burning here, happening. So N2, O2 exactly coming. N2, O2 is coming. Whatever going is without participate coming out. But as per calculation. So this is for whatever things combination, burning with the air. Coal, whatever the coal or oil burning with the actual air supply, it is happening. Theoretically SO2, N2. So from theoretically you are calculating from here, you are finding initially you are finding, very important. Initially you are finding means from where you are finding? From flue gas. From flue gas. One time you have to do it, you can understand. From flue gas, the theoretical air. Theoretical air, participant only. So because of why you are doing, we are calculating for excess air initially. Then O2, what is the meaning O2? O2, percentage O2 means they will give the already value given. This is giving from flue gas. So here what is the hint you have to understand? This is very important, the focus. One you have to find out, otherwise they given. Otherwise they have to given. So next step, what you have to do it? Next step 3. One time you have to go through, you can easily understand. Step 3, what you have to do it? Next step.
Actual air supply.
Yes. So actual air supply. So actual air supply means TA plus excess air. E. So excess air means how to calculate excess air? Excess air?
If O2 is available, direct O2 by 21 minus O2.
Yes, sir. Percentage of excess air of theoretical air. Very important. This is a definition. So you are calculating excess air means this is a percentage of theoretical air. So what equation coming? So percentage of excess air into theoretical air. Clear. You apply this one, what will be happening? Same, theoretical air plus the percentage of excess air into theoretical air. So theoretical air common. So you have to use the formula, same O2 formula. So you are taking theoretical air common, then what are 1 plus the percentage of excess air. This is actual air supply. So whatever the O2, you have to use the formula. Next step, what you have to do it? Step 4.
Mass
Step
of
4.
dry flue gas.
Yes. So mass of dry flue gas. So dry flue gas. So mass of dry flue gas. So mass of dry flue gas, you have to calculate two-way. Already we explained na? Two-way. One is formula. Another one is actual air supply plus 1 minus 9H2 plus moisture. So what is a basic fundamental? These three calculations must you have to do it, understand. Then only you can calculate very easily. Step 4 and what is step 5? What is step 5?
Direct losses calculation. L1, L2, L3, L4.
Yes, L1. L1 you have to do it.
MCP delta T.
So MCP.
L2.
Here you have to calculate. Always you have to understand. We are taking for 1 kg of fuel. So we are taking MCP into delta T divided by cross caloric value into 100. So bottom side for 1 kg fuel only, not taking 100 kg. No need, na percentage calculation enough. 1 kg enough. So step 6. So here you have to understand CP value very, very important. So CP for this one different. So 0.25 or 0.24 available. 0.25 or 24 available. What is available, sir? Sometimes they are 24, sometimes given, sometimes they are 25.
0.24, I think so.
0.24, okay, sir. 0.24. For moisture, what is
0.45.
yes, sir. What is the kcal per kg degree Celsius? Next one, the percentage loss. The percentage loss L2, H2, H2 in fuel. Same next
9H2.
one,
9H2 into
L3.
584 plus
Yes. So
CP
this is
delta T.
both is a fuel. So both in the fuel. What is the CP value? 0.45. So next step, what is the next one? Percentage of L4. Well, L4, what is this?
Humidity factor into
Yes.
AAS plus 1
Humidity.
plus CP delta T.
Humidity. There is no CP value, na? There is no CP. CP available?
CP delta T, yes, sir.
Yes, available. CP delta T?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So this CP same. So this is also CP equal to 0.45. Same value, miser, whatever things. So next L5. C2, CO, carbon monoxide. Next L6.
Surface
Here,
loss.
yes, surface loss, we have to use the formula. Surface loss, use formula for paper 4. So this formula, with using that book, you can write it quickly. With using the book, you have to write it the formula. Everyone got it, sir? With using the formula, just what you have did, with using that book, you write the formula, just your practice. Okay, here understand, sir? This is a formula. Same value you have to use. Here, what is the hint available? T. T always using Kelvin. What is the Kelvin, sir?
273 plus.
Yes. 273 plus whatever the temperature. Suppose they mention the temperature, you have to convert the Kelvin. So same value you are right. It's a surface, is a what is a ambient temperature, same. This is surface ambient temperature 1.2 by square root of this value. This is you have to do the multiple time practice. Suppose they ask this one for 10 marks separately. They will ask separately 10 mark. Next one, what is the next one, sir? This L6, L7.
Bottom ash and fly ash.
Yes.
Fly ash.
So L7 and L8. So before you have to understand all the losses, yes percentage. They give the yes percentage. So yes. So they give the yes percentage. For example, 40%. Everyone got it? They give the 40%. So here they mention two-way. They mention. Yes, they have to mention two-way. What is a two-way? What is a two-way? Ratio.
Ratio.
So 90-10. So 90-10, sometimes they mention fly yes, sometimes they mention bottom, whatever things. But you have to understand the exact value. So another one, same yes, they have to mention 10%. This is a 30%. So 10% fly yes, 30% bottom yes, whatever things. But here they given the value, 40%. This is a 40% of 1 kg of fuel. Then how much kg? 0.4 kg. Then what you have to do it? Just you have to multiply. So 90 means what is things? Suppose L7 is a fly yes. So L7 is a fly yes. You take it, this is 1, this is a 2. 2. So L7. So we are practice for 1. So L7. How to calculate L7? Fly yes loss.
0.9 into 0.40.
Yes. fly as what you wrote it? The percentage of S into ratio. Clear? Ratio. Then what is the next one?
Into GCV.
Into GCV.
Into fly as GCV.
Yes. Into GCV of fly. So divided by cross caloric value. Clear? GCV of cross caloric value.
Fuel.
Sorry, cross caloric value of
Fuel.
fuel into 100. This is a percentage of L7. So suppose they give the percentage, means you have to write a percentage. Clear? Here we can change it. Percentage. So percentage, the percentage fly. Same thing you have to do it L8. L8 also, bottom. So everything you are need to practice, simple practice. One time you have to do the practice. Same S into ratio into cross caloric value into cross caloric of fly divided by cross caloric value of fuel. Very important. This cross caloric value different, that cross caloric value different.
GCV of bottom, sir.
Yes, sir. GCV of bottom. Sorry, okay, sir. GCV of bottom. Okay, GCV of bottom. L8. So this is done. Then finally, efficiency. So efficiency. So 100 minus.
All the
So we
losses.
have to minus the percentage of L1 plus L2 plus L3, then plus percentage of L8 until you have to minus. Then we got it percentage of efficiency. Boiler. This is indirect method. Here you understand what are the hint point. The hint point very important. How to understand the hint point? You need to practice one time, you can understand. Here where are the hint point available, sir? Here you have to focus step 2. Step 2 always you have to confirm. So 20 marks, suppose 10 marks given, they are directly given O2. Suppose they give the CO2, you have to calculate. Next one, you have to find out the molecular weight. Percentage CO2, you have to find out now. Percentage CO2 with using, you have to find out molecular weight, number of molecular weight. So we have to use the formula. So here you have to use molecular weight, you have to find out. So molecular weight you have to find out. Here so molecular, number of molecular you have to find out. That is useful for number of molecular. Is a volume basis. Number of molecule in flue gas, very important. So we have to calculate number of molecular in flue gas. Same simple formula. What is the formula? The percentage of CO2 calculation. Percentage CO2 calculation. The percentage of CO2 calculation. Mole of
CO2 by total moles of
yes,
all components.
total mole. So whatever things available. CO2 plus N2 plus SO2. SO2 is theoretical. Suppose they have to mention after XSR, after very important. This is before XSR. Everyone got it? Before XSR. After XSR, what you have to do it? You have to add O2. So simple analogy, you need to understand. We are done actual supply? No. If you done actual supply calculation, you have to apply the formula, then you have to do it. Everyone got it? So you have to understand how to understand everything. Once you do the practice calculation, the different type of question, then only you understand. So where you have to use the actual supply, where you have to use the theoretical error. Suppose they given the O2 means it is O2, so already they passed the actual supply. So you have to calculate from this one O2, from you have to calculate actual supply, then you have to find out what are things one by one, dry flue gas, everything. This O2 useful for actual supply. But CO2 given means they have to give CO2 actual, CO2 theoretical. Another formula available, shortcut, that we have to do the calculation. Once you understand the calculation, then only we have to use that formula. We have to use always same formula. Whatever the book available, same formula you have to use. Next, what is the tricks available? Next tricks available, mass of the dry flue gas, very important. One is a formula, one is a shortcut. Suppose you are very busy, you don't have the time with using the formula, then you have to use this one. Everyone got it? This is you have to use. So everyone depend on your situation and timing. This time you have to use a formula, it will take lot of time. This question they are asking for 20 mark. Better way what you have to do it? You have to use mass of the dry flue gas from this one. So this is, if you find out means, how many calculations we are using? Only here only we are using. Only here only using. Remaining, we can done at least L2, L3, L4. Suppose if you have the timing after completion, then you can use this formula. You can keep it some gap. Everyone understands the tricks? So where we are using this formula, where we are using interconnection? Here only interconnection. Only the step 4 useful for step 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3 and 6 to 7, 8, 9, there is no interlock. Then remaining step first you have to complete. So time management very, very important, this calculation. So 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. Okay. Okay, sir. Still now clear, sir? So
Yes,
exactly what you are taking, sir. So this boiler, remaining chapter we can complete very quickly. This chapter, you take time, boiler, this calculation, you go through it all the calculation. I will share the one PDF. So you have to practice that calculation, sir. So you have to take it 2 days. So 2 days you have to do the only group discussion. You have to do the only group discussion. I will give the different type of calculation. Everyone agree, sir? I will give the maximum 3 to 4 calculation. Full calculation, not simple calculation. I will give the full calculation. So you have to practice full calculation. Then we are doing the old paper calculation, we can understand the tricks. Now no need to understand the tricks. Once you understand how to use the formula, where you put it, we have to do it only. How to use the formula only, you have to understand. Then I will give all the data, then you can do it. Almost tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have to practice. Totally I give the 320 mark. 320 mark you have to practice. So totally 60 mark. You have to use the group discussion. First you take time, second 2 questions you have to complete very quickly without discussion. So first analogy what you have to do it, 3 questions you have to read it. 3 questions. Compare with the 3 questions. 1 question suppose direct. Another 2 questions is maybe different. You have to notes are different. What is different? Then you have to do it. Okay, sir. Now still now are you understand, sir? All the concept, simple analogy. Okay, sir. First you try to calculate, analyze the calculation. Then one by you can understand, sir. So what you have to exactly do it? You have to practice. This thing, everything you are practice. It's a time management. Okay, sir. So you have to follow the journaling, sir. Journal. Everyone understand journaling? I have shared one journal. Every day you have to practice. So journaling, you have to tick mark. You have to remind. what are things you are doing. So who are making the group, sir? Group. So making the groups is very important, sir. So without group, what will happening? Initially, with making the group, continuous practice. Who are making groups, sir?
With Rajesh sir, Kumar sir.
Okay, sir. So this whole process with relaxed time, you have to do it, sir. Don't pressure yourself. Okay. With Rajesh sir, Amul sir, whatever available.
Yeah.
Same WhatsApp group. You have to do the same. Only we have the only 5 or 6 people. Same group. You have to post it. Your link, sir. Sadish available now, Sadish?
Sir, his mic is not working, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, no, sir. Okay, sir. So then you have to post it. You have to complete, sir. You take 2 days, sir. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have to complete. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, bye.
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
you are giving only boiler questions only, na, sir? These 2
Yes,
days?
sir. Yes, sir.
Only
Same
boiler
whatever
chapter only.
the indirect, direct method and whatever things I will give you. Same
Okay,
question.
okay. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. First day class, how is going on, sir? So I want to ask. I
Yeah,
forgot
it's
to ask.
fantastic, sir. You actually, after a long time, we have started and you have done the recapture everything.
Yes, yes.
So the main crucial point, like you said, mass of dry flue gas, that is very much important. And if OT is not available, they are given the theoretical actual CO2. So there actually we need to brainstorm
Yes.
that
Sometime,
molecular weight and everything we have to perfectly we have to do. Otherwise, we'll not get marks also.
yes.
In this paper, that thing I have observed actually.
Okay.
So actual values you have to be captured means you need practice. That's the only basic fundamental rule.
Okay,
You need
sir.
to practice
Okay.
more.
Yes, sir.
So thank you, sir. Once again, we are back into study mode now.
Yes, sir.
After
yes,
long time.
yes, we are becoming a master. We have to making our master. Okay, sir.
So the good thing is we have started early. So that is
Yes.
definitely it will help us.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Thank you, sir.
whatever the possibility, you have to become the master. You no need to pass the exam. You have to become the master. So master
Correct,
means,
sir.
yes, you understand the concept, whatever things, you can do it. Only the thing, you need to practice with the timing.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Next day, we will discuss about what are the hint, extra hint available. That we will discuss. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir. Good night, sir. Okay, sir.